Come here. I think I've been here every year for like 5 years by now. It's great. And let's go to a bit of the blues. But then a 90s pop song, reimagine it as the blues. And this is a very famous 90s pop song. If someone knows what it is, call it out. And I'll give you a thumbs up after I'm finished playing. Or a card, I have cards. Oh baby, how was I supposed to know? Oh baby, how was I supposed to know? Oh, there was something wasn't right, yeah. Loneliness is killing me. I must confess I still believe that you'll be here. Give me a sign. Oh, hit me, baby, one more time. Oh, baby, baby, I shouldn't have let you go. Baby, baby, I should've never let you go. Because I need you, but you're out of sight, yeah. Loneliness is killing me. I must confess I still believe that you'll be here. Give me a sign. Oh, hit me, baby, one more time. Now tell me, how do you want it to be? Tell me, baby, because I need to know now. All because of my loneliness is killing me. I must confess I still believe that you'll be here. Give me a sign. Oh, hit me, baby, one more time. And now tell me, how do you want this to be? So tell me, baby, because I need to know now. All because of my loneliness is killing me. I must confess I still believe that you'll be here. Give me a sign. Oh, hit me, baby, one more time. Oh yeah, hit me, baby, one more time. Yeah, I love making dance music. You know, in 50s music is a lot of singing about dancing. So this is a song about both making music and about dancing. That's one of the seductive kinds of songs. Like that 1950s pop star that was in the cocktail bar or something like that. It gets more of a Hispanic folky funk. It's called Music Making Now. Well, it was just a glance, but then you took me by the hand. Said a dancing like your plan. So I'ma count to sin and swing you with a spoon, 'cause I'm a music making man. It doesn't take you much to sure at your touch, but you got to understand that if we dance too long, I'm gonna write you a song, 'cause I'm a music making man. The night is young and I forget the time. I'm a music making man. Thank you. So I come from Almere, which is just a short train ride away. A train ride and a tram ride. And are we still on schedule, Adi?
What is the schedule?
I don't know, the first song is called According to Schedule, so I thought it was fun to ask.
Right. About 10 more minutes.
Oh, right. Oh, yeah, that's 5 more songs. I write them short, I write them sweet. Just like the train ride from Almere to Amsterdam. Well, am I going forward, or am I standing still? Business deep, and up the line, there's more track to fill. Well, I see you on the lever, you say you got my back. Well, am I even on the trouble, laying on the track? Well, it's according to schedule. Don't you ever feel? Yes, according to schedule, when the station is quite near. That rich man with the shovel, what appearance is to see. We'll make it through to the other side, you just gotta believe. Through ravines and valleys, the train will come along. It's got men, it's got passengers, it's all coming along. And I see you on the lever, you say you got my back. Well, am I even on the trolley, or am I laying on the tracks? Well, it's according to schedule, why won't you ever feel? According to schedule, the next station is quite near. Well, there's bad hills and tunnels, but I swear we'll make it through. Just keep your head, stay happy, there's all that you can do. And I see you holding the lever, you say you got my back. Well, am I even on the trolley, or am I laying on the tracks? It's according to schedule, don't you ever fail. According to schedule, the next station is quite near. That rich man look the shovel, what appearances to see. We'll make it through to the other side, you just gotta believe. So lately I got a bit more into country, and I wrote a song which is was kind of a challenge for me. It's a bit outside of my usual worldview, but I thought it was a nice challenge to write something that I stand behind the humor of it, but maybe not necessarily the message. Let's tune up a bit as well. I'm done with girls, I'm gonna die alone. I don't care no more about the dumb friend zone. I'll be just fine, respecting boundaries. They say I'm either too wild or too much at ease. And girls are done with me, 'cause I have my weak spots. Yeah, girls are done with me. I'll never tie no knots, never have a child. I'll keep running wild, and I'll be done with girls until they're on my mind. I used to I'm done with girls. I can't depend on them. Yeah, I'm done with girls. I made my best attempts. I'm done with girls, and they are done with me. They say I rock their world, and then they set me free. Or maybe if I meet a woman who can truly be my side, no more ending up a blooming. I wanted more than just a while. But I'm done with girls. I'm gonna die alone. I don't care no more about the dumb friend zone. I'm done with girls, and they are done with me. They say I rock their world, and then set me free. They say I rock their world, and then they set me free. Thank you. So about short songs. This one is a bit longer. Because it's about all of the animals. There's a lot of animals that get named in blues, like chicks and dogs and cats. And I tried to put them all in this little song called The Beastie Blues. The tiger's out of the pen. The tiger's out of the pen. The tiger's out of the pen. What you gonna do when the tiger's out of the pen? I'm gonna catch you, mouse. I'm gonna catch you, mouse. I'm gonna catch you, mouse. Come on in this house. I'm gonna catch you, mouse. Come get this cat a treat. Come get this cat a treat. Come get this cat a treat. I think you're really sweet. Come get this cat a treat. I wanna be your pet. I wanna be your pet. I wanna be your pet. You call the ball and I will get. I wanna be your pet. I like your big doe eyes. I like your big doe eyes. I like your big doe eyes. Yeah, you're looking really nice. I like your big doe eyes. I heard a rooster crow. I heard a rooster crow. I heard a rooster crow. Oh baby, please don't go. I heard a rooster crow. Hey, you can be my bird. You can be my bird. faithful like a hound. Yeah, I will stick around. I'm faithful like a hound. I could eat a horse. I could eat a horse. I could eat a horse. I share with you, of course. I could eat a horse. Oh, you having a giraffe? Are you having a giraffe? Are you having a giraffe? Well, that shit just makes me laugh. Are you having a giraffe? I wanna be your pet. I wanna be your pet. I wanna be your pet. You throw the ball and it will get. I wanna be your pet. 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 It's a blessing that we met. I wanna be your pet. Thank you all so much. You can find me on Instagram and TikTok as Beechcraft Bonanza with B-E-E-C-E. And if you think, oh, how do you spell it? I have cards with me where it's spelled out, so you can see that. And it's also got QR code, so you can scan it. You can just on my website, and then you can find the links to all the social media. It's very cool. Thank you all for listening, and
Thank you.
have a really nice evening with what's coming next.
Give it 20 minutes, we'll be back with one very lost, very quiet set. For now, get a beer or whatever you feel like. Cheers!
Thank you.
Cheers! Cheers!